The P1S is still down. I have to figure out what's going on with that. The Biqu was kind enough to send me 4 mystery boxes of filament. And print the shipping label for this, get it packed up so I can get it shipped out tomorrow. Then I have 2 orders. Look how freaking cute these things are. Welcome, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It is Sunday. Hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Jose. I run a very small 3D printing business and I vlog my weekend doing this. So what is on the agenda for today? Don't have anything going on the X1 Carbon just yet. The P1S is still down. I have to figure out what's going on with that. It is not loading anything that I send to it. I have a little project that I'm doing, and this is something I will show you guys later on in the week. I just finished up this custom order for this Little League baseball team. This isn't what they wanted. This is their logo, but I made one just to show them what it looks like. But they wanted their numbers on them. This all came out amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and print the shipping label for this, get it packed up so I can get it shipped out tomorrow. But in the meantime, so do you guys know how exciting it is to get a mystery box? Well, our good friends over at Biqu Tech, or Biqu, hooked me up with 4 rolls of filament to test. I want to give a kind thanks to Biqu and their marketing team. This would have not been possible without their amazing teamwork and their product. Listen guys, Biqu is a really cool company that specializes in 3D printer accessories for all kinds of printers. Like some of your top dog companies, like Bambu, Snapmaker, Creality, and a lot of other brands, and heck, they even have their own surprisingly very cheap 3D printers. I didn't know this, did you guys? So they make all kinds of accessories for 3D printers, like some awesome looking build plates that actually work great with adhesion. Side note, I do have one of their build plates and I absolutely love it. It is one of the build plates I know I can rely on. But I also can't believe I haven't picked up one of their cool looking cryo grip plates. But anyway, so they also make hot ends, touchscreens, motherboards, and so much more. So check them out for yourselves. The link is in the description. At the very top, you cannot miss it. So why go anywhere else, my friends, when Biqu has it all? They have 3D printers, accessories, and now filament, and so much more. I just noticed that they have these cool printer stands with storage space. This thing looks freaking awesome. I would really like to have a few of these so I can get my printers off these boxes. Anyway, let me get back on topic. When you're done with this video, go check them out. I promise you, you will not leave without something to enhance your 3D printing performance. Again, thank you guys. Thank you Biqu team. This would not be possible without you guys. Print on, my friends. Like I said, Biqu was kind enough to send me 4 mystery boxes of filament. So let's see what we got. It's like Christmas. This is very well packaged. I love the design on the box. Looks really nice. And this is going to be, the color says ice blue. It is a PLA silk. We'll open that up in a minute and see what it looks like. This one is going to be a PLA Go red. Curious to see what that looks like. This one wasn't wrapped in bubble wrap. This one is a blue, another PLA Go from Biqu. And last but not least, this one is a silver silk. So I have 2 silks and 2 PLA Goes. I don't know what the Goes are. I think they're basic. So let's find out. Let's look at the blue. Oh, nice. They're plastic spools, which I really like. Very well sealed. This just looks like a basic matte blue. Bed temps at 55, 65. Print temperatures at 210 to 240. Print speeds 500 to 300. So I already know what I'm going to print with this stuff. I was in contact with them a little bit. I was trying to get a little bit more than what they sent me because there's a big project that I want to do. I can work with this. All right, this one is going to be the red. Another PLA Go. And just looks like a basic red. I am going to dry all of these before I put them in. Did you guys know that PLA Go is beginner friendly? Great quality, affordable. It comes in 8 beautiful rich colors with more to come. Make sure you try them out yourself, and don't forget, the link is in the description. Now let's move on to the silks. Nice silver. Very shiny, really shiny. And this one is a ice blue, really shiny as well. It's like a sky blue, baby blue, more of a sky blue. Look how shiny those are. So I do want to thank Biqu for reaching out to me. Let me try their new brand of filament. I'm super excited to see what the print comes out to look like. I am going to be printing a life-size macaw throughout the week. But that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna get these dried so I can start those prints. I'm gonna get this packaged up. And then I will talk to you guys tomorrow about what we're doing next. Peace. Just did some bookmarks. These things look awesome. Very highly detailed. I'm gonna have 2 orders that I need to ship out. I have the high chains, and then I have some little buddies in here. Roughly all together, right around almost $100. It was like 98 and some change after taxes. All right, I'm working on an order of some bookmarks. They wanted 20 of them. I have the Dino collection. I have this collection. Working on some kitty cats. Working on some kittens. Look how freaking cute these things are. And then I have to do some birds next. This was an order of $20. Working on something for myself. And then yesterday I dried these 2 from Biqu. These are both the PLA Go. And then I dried a silk from Bambu Lab. And then I haven't dried those yet. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use these in this project or not, but I will let you guys know. This is going to be part of that project that I'm working on. This is that PLA Go. It's like a matte finish with a little gloss to it. I kind of like it. I really do. I'm definitely going to pick me up some more. On this one, I had to stop the print. This AMS system, I have to take it apart and figure out what's going on. I don't know if all 3 of these are going out or what. I've had this for about 8 months. Let me know when you guys have had to replace these gears. But they're catching them. This one will catch it. It'll keep spinning, and eventually it will break the spool. This one doesn't read anything. And then this one, every once in a while, it will read it. And then when it extracts, and then comes back, it won't read the filament again. Acts like nothing's in there. And this last one's perfectly fine. Then I have a custom print on this one. Let's see how it turned out. Not bad. I think I could do a little bit better though. And then I have this sky blue. Really shiny. What a beautiful, beautiful silk. I'm definitely gonna pick me up some more silk. No issues at all. Like I said, I dried them, barely any stringing. Very, like I'm pulling on it. Very durable. Especially for little kids that play with them. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Saturday morning. Finishing up some more little buddy sawfish. This green is absolutely amazing. I usually do the alligators in it. This is from Bambu Lab. This is that mint color. It's a gradient color. It's a basic color. Wonderful color. I think I have one more plate of these I need to print for the order. I have 50 more of these to print. This is in Bambu Lab as well. So 50 more of these to print for the 100 order. And then I have 50 more of these to print for the order. And then what else I had to print? I finished printing those filament clips. These are what the clips look like. I have all my Bambu Lab spools. And while we're talking about filaments, let's jump back over to Biqu. So while we wrap this video up, let's talk about Biqu's filament line. Over the past week, I've been printing with it, and I have to say, wow, what a beautiful, beautiful line of filament. They did a really good job here. So let's start with what I have on the table. In my Polymaker dryer boxes, I have the silks, because I want to keep them dry. I don't want any stringing or anything. And then I have the PLA Goes over here. It's the blue and the red. It's a basic filament, but it has like a glossy matte finish, which I'll show you guys that in a minute on the project that I was working on for the week. Now let's move on to the silks. Again, this is a beautiful, it is literally called Ice Blue from Biqu. Beautiful color. And that's what I have these dragons in. Very, very durable, especially for little children that play with them. Beautiful finish. Barely any stringing. Like, look at that. No issues whatsoever. I'll help if I learn how to close that. And then I have the silver. This is some of the shiniest silver I have ever came across. I normally don't use silks, but look how shiny this is. I know this is about Biqu, but you guys know I love Zyro. Look at the difference in those. Look at the shine in the Biqu compared to the Zyro. Now again, I don't use many silks, but I have used this silk a lot. As you can tell, they're only little small projects that I use them on. So I did the blue, I did the ice blue, and then I did the silver for the top of these shakers. It's a key ring. But then I printed this egg in that silver. And you can barely see the layer lines. No stringing at all. This came out amazing. Ignore that noise. But this came out amazing. This file's on Maker World. That's gonna be it for the two silks that I have. Amazing colors. I can't wait to try their other stuff. So I'm gonna jump on their website when I'm done with this. Like I said, if you guys like silks, the link's gonna be in the description. It helps the channel out. I really appreciate it. There are discount codes in there as well whenever you use the link. But like I said, go to Biqu, definitely pick up some filament, but I guarantee you will not leave without purchasing something else to up your 3D print game. I promise you, to enhance your 3D printers, just makes everything a lot easier. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Biqu while I went to their website, just looking at the rest of their brand, and I will show you guys that probably in a later video. But let's move on to the PLA Goes, and I will show you what I did with that. All right, for the PLA Go, this is the bad boy that I was working on. The white, the black, this is from Bambu Lab. The gold is from Bambu Lab as well. But the blue and the red is from Biqu. But look how amazing this thing came out. Absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that. Like I said, it's like a matte finish, except it has a little gloss to it. So you guys will definitely be seeing some more Biqu in future videos. It's getting really hard trying to figure out what filament brand I like, but Filament's very cheap, very reliable, very durable. Haven't had any issues with them whatsoever. The only issue I had was I dropped the body part of this, and a couple of the pieces broke, and then the head, I didn't glue it on properly there. That's all my fault, nothing to do with the filament. Like I said, I dried all the filament, no string-ins whatsoever. I did not have one failed print when it comes to printing any of this stuff. I did have a failed print on the Bambu Lab Gold. I did have one failed print on that, but when it came to the PLA Go, absolutely no failed prints. It's the same with the silks, no failed prints. That is going to be it for this week, guys. I want to thank Biqu and their wonderful team for allowing me to showcase their great line of filament. I can't wait to work with them again if that's possible. They have a ton more stuff on their website. Go check it out for your bamboos, your snap makers, Creality. I mean, so much more. It definitely ups your print game big time with all the stuff that they have on their build plates, nozzles, I mean, you name it. But that is going to be it for today. You guys have a wonderful day. And as always, print on, my friends. Peace.